Black holes rule the universe. We usually hear that black holes are cosmic monsters, just eating everything around them. In energy filament theory, they are something else, the chief engineers of the universe. Start from the basic picture. The universe is an energy sea that can be pulled tight, relaxed, patterned, and twisted. A black hole is not just a hole in that sea. It is a 4-layer machine pushed to the limit of tension. The outer layer is like a trembling film, stretched so tight that light can barely skim along it. Inside that sits a piston layer, moving in and out like the breath of a giant animal. Deeper in is a shredding zone that rips any structure apart, like a blender. At the core is a boiling pot of filament soup. Because of these 4 layers, black holes have 3 real kinds of control over the universe. First, they carve the cosmic skeleton. Their long-term pull on the energy sea makes tension slopes, which we experience as gravity. Keep that pull going for millions or billions of years and you do more than bend paths. You scratch permanent grooves into the sea, like folds in cloth that has been pulled again and again. Many black holes working together link these grooves into a huge grid. Galaxies and clusters then grow along these lines, the way rivers follow valleys. Second, they stir the energy sea and generate unstable particles. While those particles live, they tighten the sea and build an average extra pull, a gravity base that helps hold up the outer disks of galaxies. When they die, they kick small tremors back into the sea and create a soft background noise. Over time, that noise gently nudges matter toward the skeleton lines, helping star systems drift back to the cosmic web instead of drifting off. Third, they write the rhythm of the universe. The boiling core sends out waves of tension. The piston layer shapes those waves into beats. The outer film stamps those beats into the surrounding space like fingerprints. Those patterns then guide how gas collects, where stars form, and even how spiral arms swing. The mood of a central black hole can set the tempo for an entire galaxy. In the very early universe, before ordinary matter settled into familiar forms, the average pull from countless unstable particles could drive parts of the energy sea to collapse straight into primordial black holes. Those early black holes act as the first construction crews, marking out a rough version of the cosmic grid long before galaxies light up. So in black holes do not just swallow. They mark the skeleton, support the web, and set the beat. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.